Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel AgriQuiz by Crackers. In this video, I am going to discuss some important MCQ on coffee. And as I have already completed some plantation crop like rubber, also cashew, you can check in the playlist. So without wasting any time, let's start from question number one. Uh, second. Which organization used to control global coffee trade until 1989? Here the right answer is option A, International Coffee Organization. International Coffee Organization used to control the global coffee trade until 1989. Then question number second. What is the primary role of coffee board under NPOP? NPOP means National Program for Organic Production. Here the right answer is option B, to give accreditation agent. It is act as a accreditation agency for coffee. Then question number third. Who is considered the founder of coffee research in India? Here the right answer is option A, L.C. Coleman is known as coffee known as founder of coffee research in India. Then question number 4. What were early East African tribe known for in relation to coffee? Here the right answer is mixing coffee berry with animal fats as a snacks. They used to consume coffee with animal fats. Option C is correct. Then question number 5. What is the distribution of coffee holding in Tamil Nadu? Here the right answer is option C. It is 11%. Then next question. How do coffee beans produced at higher altitude typically differ from those at lower altitude? In higher altitude, coffee produce best quality flavor as compared to lower altitude because of temperature and light intensity. Here the right answer is option D. According to option D is correct. Then next question. Coffee is a woody perennial forever shrub with a main vertical stem and which type of branches? And all three branches belong to coffee, means primary, secondary and tertiary branches. Then next question number 8. What is the fruit type of coffee? Here the right answer is it is option B, it is drupe. Then next question. How many months are required for cherry development in coffee plant? Here the right answer is it is 80 to 10 months. In 80 to 10 months in Arabica coffee, in 10 to 11 months in Robusta coffee. So overall, according to option, here the right answer is 80 to 80 to 9 months. And next question, which enzyme is present in coffee seed? Here the right answer is sucrose synthetase enzyme is mainly present in coffee seed. Then question number 11, what type of wood cutting are used for propagation in Robusta coffee? Here the right answer is option C, it is semi-hard wood cutting. But in Arabica coffee, mainly propagated by seed, the seed rate of Arabica coffee is 1.5 kg per hectare. And there is one more grafting method is used, that is wedge grafting. Wedge grafting is mainly Robusta coffee is used as a rootstock, and Arabica coffee is used as a scion. Here the main purpose is to control the nematode attack in coffee orchard. Then next question, question number 12, which hormone is used to enhance early rooting in greenwood cutting for coffee propagation? Here the right answer is option B, it is IBA, indole butyric acid. Then next question, question number 13, what is the primary purpose of cleft grafting in coffee cultivation? Okay. Mainly cleft grafting is used for to rejuvenate the plant, mainly practiced in senile orchard. Senile orchard means mostly old orchard. So option C is correct. Then next question, question number 14. In which month are cleft grafting produced typically performed in coffee plants? Mainly prefer in the monsoon. Here the right answer is option A, it is in June and July. Then next question, question number 15. This is the last question. Coffee is primarily grown under what type of environmental condition? Here the right answer is option C, it is partially shade condition. As we all know, coffee is used as a multi-story cropping system in South India, mainly in Karnataka. Coffee is grown under the shade of a coconut and arecanut plantation. And thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.